and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about I almost got scammed on Shipt. Here's what happened. So the other day, I almost got scammed of being able to access my account on Shipt. While it may not have been a real loss, I'm not a fan of scammers or seeing other people get scammed. So with that said, we are going to be talking about how I almost got scammed on Shipt, or really out of my Shipt account to be specific, how I protected myself, how you can protect yourself, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. With that said, here's what happened. While I was editing a video for the channel, I received a message from a number that looked an awful lot like the one support uses on Shipt. Hello, this is John Quell with Shipt Support. We're trying to reach out to Joe regarding your inactive Shipt Shopper account. It appears there's a long waiting list in your area. Would you like to deactivate your account? Simply reply with yes or no. I thought this was an auto text, so I said no. Thanks for making an entry. Your choice has been submitted. To confirm, we will be sending a 6-digit code. When you receive it, go ahead and verify with us to keep your account up and running.
Red flag.
And of course, they sent me the code, but that being said, Shipt support under no circumstances never asks that question. And also, never refers to themselves by a name. If it was an automated message, it wouldn't give themselves a name. Shipt support doesn't ask about that. No entry was made. Please verify the 6-digit SMS before expiration to proceed. Shipt support doesn't ask about codes. This is new programming we are running due to a batch of inactive Shipt Shopper workers. There has been many new applicants to keep room. We are removing or keeping our current shoppers. As you can see, my name is John Quell over here at the Birmingham Shipt branch. To continue, please confirm the 6-digit code. By the way, I'm on call with support at this point because I am not getting scammed and I don't want other people to be scammed. No entry was made. Please verify the 6-digit SMS before expiration to proceed. I'm on call with support now. This is a scam. This is not a scam, Joe. Then support should be able to verify you. Would you like me to call you? This verification code is only acceptable via the worker. Exactly. It's only for the worker. So you shouldn't even have the privilege of even asking that. I know you're pulling some shady stuff. This is to confirm you have access to your account and also to keep your account up and running as you requested. Not getting scammed. No problem, sir. We will be removing you if failed to verify the 6-digit code. If you had the ability to do that, you wouldn't have even made a warning about it. You would have just done it. That's how all gig companies are. I'm sending screenshots of this conversation to support as we speak. As I said before, my name is John Quell. I'm with the Shipt Shopper support team. It has been a pleasure having you on the platform. From this point on, you will no longer have access to your account. To cancel, press type cancel. And of course, at this point, I checked the app, and yes, I have access to it just fine. Funny you say that. I'm on the app now. It doesn't seem to be factually accurate. You lied. Our system takes a while. You will see a disabled user soon.
Is that also a red flag?
Crimson.
Would you like to stay a shopper? Honestly, do you fool people often? Yeah, LOL.
You never drop the con. You never break. Die with the lie.
You know, I honestly shouldn't be surprised about that, but still. Do you really think I'm that stupid? Who knows? Want to sell me your account? $500 for you instantly. I'm not gonna lie, that would have been more money that I've ever made on this account, period. So it was kind of tempting. No thanks. Faux show. Smart guy. Thank you. You deserve to keep your account, LOL. Everyone deserves to keep their account. No one deserves to get scammed. That's why I make these videos. I know. LOL. Text me if you ever want to sell your account. I'll send you money. I'll keep that in mind. No problem, brother. Have a good day or night. Blessing from Russia. Have a day. Thanks. What city are you in? Just curious. I'd prefer not to say. Faux show. Is that a Russian thing, faux show? I thought that was an American thing. I don't know. I don't think he was actually from Russia. I think he was just a dude trying to scam me. throw me off his scent, but I just plan to expose him. I'm not going much further than that. Now, that's how I managed to protect myself. I contacted support, I hopped on the app, etc., etc. How can you also protect yourself in this and other situations? First of all, understand that support is never going to reach out to you. Support is a lot of things. Proactively reaching out to people is not one of them. Unless it is specifically on a shop for a very specific reason during the delivery or the shopping order, they are most likely not going to contact you. Never give codes or passwords. If anybody asks you for a code or a password, the answer is no. You are not providing that information. That is not information that any support agent needs in order to actually support you. And if anybody asks, that is personal information for you. You got to protect your info that way. Do not put too much financial dependence on any one app. Look, everybody drops their guard eventually, but the best way to protect yourself is to never have too much financial dependence on any one app for any one reason. If you happen to do Shipt very often, good for you. Make sure you're diversifying your gig portfolio so that way you're never too dependent on Shipt. But most people go into Shipt as a form of diversification, so that may not be an issue for you. Don't give your number or personal info away. Here's the reality. If support asks you for your personal number or any personal information, I decline to answer that guy. If it's a support agent that's asking, they should have it already. That means they're not even a support agent. A customer's asking that, you don't know who that customer is or what their intentions are. You never give that info. All in all, you got to protect your number and your personal info. Don't take everything at face value. This person pretended to be a support agent. A support agent is going to have all the information in which they're going to need in order to activate or reactivate or deactivate anybody. It is okay to have a healthy amount of distrust for other people. This goes for emails, texts, calls, people you're meeting in the street, people you're meeting online, people you're chatting with over the phone or over text, doesn't matter. Remember that the only person looking out for you is yourself at the end of the day. So make sure that you're keeping everything close to the chest and make sure you're really thinking about things before just answering things blindly. You know what I'm saying? Did I miss anything? Is there something else about protecting yourself from phishing scammers on really any app that I have yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anybody and everybody that is shopping or delivering for any gig app knows how to protect themselves and they can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and as always, stay wild.